Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my delicious homemade banana custard cream pie. Now, this is a no-bake dessert, of course. We basically just assemble all the ingredients, add it into the pie pan, and put it in the refrigerator until everything sets. This recipe, you can get about 8 slices of pie. It's rich. It has a wonderful banana flavor. Absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you'll need to make your banana cream custard pie. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, and along with that you'll need some whole milk at room temperature, sweetened condensed milk at room temperature, heavy whipping cream, large eggs at room temperature, unsalted butter, sugar, salt, cornstarch, gelatin, graham crackers, vanilla extract, and these next 2 ingredients are optional: banana extract and cake batter extract. So if you don't have them, you can omit them from the recipe. And you will also need some confectioner sugar. And for your tools, you will need a food processor, a hand mixer, and to assemble your pie, you will need a regular standard 9-inch round pie pan. And there we have it. Alright, let's get started with making our graham cracker crust. So in this food processor, I'm going to add 10 whole graham crackers right on there. I'm going to pulse this for about 10 to 15 times. Okay, I placed my graham cracker crumbs into this medium-sized bowl. Add 7 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take my spoon and stir all the ingredients together. Mixture should resemble moist crumbs like how you see here. Alright, here we have our pie pan. Add the graham cracker crumbs right on in there. Take your hands and you're just going to press the graham cracker crumbs onto the bottom and onto the sides of the pie pan. Place this into your refrigerator or freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. Alright, let's get started with our custard mixture. So in this medium-sized bowl, I'm going to add 3 large eggs at room temperature, 2/3 cup of sugar, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to take my hand mixer. I'm going to mix this on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, that looks good. Okay, next I'm going to take 1 ripe banana, and from there I'm just going to take the banana, make sure your hands clean, and you're just going to mash the banana with your hands. I don't know why I did this. I should have used a spoon. Okay, next I'm going to take my mixer, and I'm just going to mix this on high speed for about 30 seconds. Alright, let's get started with our cornstarch mixture. So in this large measuring cup, I've added 1/4 cup of whole milk, and the milk is cold. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to just take my whisk and stir all the ingredients together. And from there, we're going to add this into the custard mixture at a later time. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Okay, let's get started with heating up our milk and our cream for our pie. So in this medium-sized 4-quart pot, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to take a whisk and stir all the ingredients together. I'm going to let this get hot for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 heaping teaspoon of gelatin. Again, I'm going to take my whisk and give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn my fire off. Okay, here we have our mixed egg and sugar mixture that we whipped together earlier. I'm going to pour the hot milk and cream and gelatin mixture right on in there. And remember that milk and cornstarch mixture that we mixed together earlier? That's 1/4 cup of that. Pour that right on in there. I'm going to take my whisk and stir all the ingredients together. Preheat your fire to medium-low heat. Okay, remember the banana custard mixture that we made earlier, not too long ago? Just going to pour that right on in there. I'm going to take a spatula. You can use a wooden spoon or whatever. And I'm going to stir this continuously for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes now and our mixture has thickened some. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn my fire off. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of banana extract. Now remember, the banana extract is optional. If you don't have it, you can omit it from the recipe. Stir all your ingredients together. And I'm going to let this cool for about 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, here we have the graham cracker crust. I had it in my freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. And from there, I'm just going to carefully pour the banana custard mixture right in there. Alright, here I have a bowl cover here, and I'm just going to cover this. Place this into your refrigerator for about 2 to 4 hours or until the custard mixture sets. Alright everyone, here we have the custard mixture, and I let mine set overnight, so I went beyond 2 to 4 hours. And as you can see, when I touch the custard mixture on the top, it is nice and set. That lets me know that it is ready. Alright, let's get started with making our whipped cream. So in our stand mixer bowl, put it with the whisk attachment. I did place my mixing bowl and my whisk attachment in the refrigerator to get it nice and cold. So you want to make sure you do that before you begin. Add 1 1/2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Make sure that the heavy whipping cream is cold. 1/3 cup of confectioner's sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember, this next ingredient is optional. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cake batter extract and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix this on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the whipping cream reaches stiff peaks. Okay, our mixture has reached stiff peaks like how you see here, and our whipped cream is ready. Okay, this is an additional step. Here I have another ripe banana. So just peel this off. And from there I'm just going to slice the banana. Oh, and I also want to let you know that before you add the banana slices on top of your pie, just sprinkle a little lemon juice onto the banana slices and toss them with your hands. And that's going to prevent the bananas from turning brown. Alright, here we have our whipped cream we just whipped up. So just add the whipped cream on top, just like that. Alright, that's all of it. Next, I'm going to take an offset spatula and just spread this around. Gotta be very careful. And from there, you're just going to add these slices on top of the pie. And one in the middle for good luck. And after that, the pie is ready to be served. Now for some quick tips. Keep this pie in your refrigerator at all times. You can also freeze it as well. Before serving, you're going to let the pie sit out for about 25 to 30 minutes so that way the graham cracker crust can detach from the pie pan. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Banana cream custard pie made by a New Orleans native. You can find this recipe along with all of my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Alright, let's go ahead and have a little quick taste test of this. That's the cross section there. Oh yeah. Man, oh man, you talk about good. The pie is fluffy. It literally melts in your mouth. And you got that graham cracker crust at the bottom. Oh my goodness. Has a nice banana flavor. It's just the right amount of sweetness, not overly sweet at all. Y'all, I'm telling you. Try the recipe. Absolutely flavorful and delicious. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, Have a good one. Peace.